Hi guys, welcome to my channel. MediaTek Wi-Fi 6 MT7921 wireless card getting error in device manager. There is a yellow warning icon. So how to resolve? So first click to start, then type device manager, then find out network adapter, extract. So this is your MediaTek Wi-Fi 6 MT7921. So right click, uninstall device, click on uninstall. Do not check this box. Okay, after that click the action and then click scan hardware changes. Then it will come back again. Then right click to update driver, search automatically driver, and then close and then cut it. Then next driver, click to start, type command from, right click to run as administrator. Then type this command I will giving you on the screen. Type one by one and then hit enter. So you are connect. You can type one by one also, and you can type all in at a time, same time. So this is command. Then close it. Then open any browser. Google search box to type MediaTek. Wi-Fi 6 MT7921 Wi-Fi driver Windows 11 for. Then hit enter. And please mention your operating system which is using. Then this is first Lenovo website, official website. Second Asus, Dell. So any official website, right click to open new tab. Then slow down. This is a driver. This is download exe. Accept all cookies. Download type driver. This is MediaTek MT7921 and then click to download. After that it will start downloading. Then open file, click on, then click on install. After that now this is installing the background. Now this is installed successfully. Click close it. Next click to start and type cmd. Right click to run as administrator. Repair Windows file. Sometime what happened, it will corrupt, that's why getting issue. So right click to run as administrator. Then type this command which is I am giving you on the screen and description also. And then hit enter. When it is completed 100%, then try to second one. But this is important, restore health means restore your health, your system health. Okay, so when it is completed, then try to second one. So second one is sfc scan now slash scan now and then hit enter. And when it is your completed, then restart your system and then please check it. If your issue resolved, please share, subscribe and comment also, like also. And if you are not, you just comment me and then I will create advanced level of video. Thank you.